So you should know your numbers. You should know what is the lifetime value of a customer. Also, the lifetime value of a lead. It's very important because when we want to invest inside Facebook, we should know these numbers. Now, let me tell you how we're going to do this. This is getting exciting because I love numbers. Okay, let's say you run an ad in Facebook and you get 1,000 emails. Okay, you run an advertisement. Is it good, or do you see that? You get 1,000 emails. So on average, again depends on the industry, but on average, 10% of people who opt in, 10% of them buy from you. So 10% of 1,000 is 100. Okay, and say, okay, what do? Here we make the ad, and then they come here, and I showed you the example, mine, how it looks. You write something good about that lead magnet, and they read it, and you encourage them to click on it, and it comes here. And here, for example, you record a nice video or something like that, and you say, hey, I'm sure you will love the lead magnet, whatever it is. It will give you a lot of value. It will help you to solve this and that and the other one. Now, even I have a better opportunity for you to, for example, to solve that problem or to get that result that you want, or something like this. So you encourage them to buy from you. Okay. So on average, 10% of the people who opt in, they buy from you. They buy the first product. Now let's say the first product is a $50 product. Okay. So how much did you make here? 5,000. Good. You've made $5,000 here. Now, what do we do with this 5,000? What does it mean to us? We have generated 1,000 emails and we have made $5,000 sales. What it means? It means 5,000 divided by 1,000. What is that? $5. It means every email address has made $5 for us. This is the sales per email, right? This is the sales that we made, $5,000, and this is the number of emails that we got. So this one divided by this one, which is this one, $5, this is how much money we made per email address. Now, we take this number inside Facebook and see how much money we are paying per email address. Now, what we did now, we just set our email address based on conversion, and we set leads, right? We said people who visit this page. It means people who have given us their email addresses. So whatever is the cost inside Facebook, that's the cost per email address. You're with me? Yes? So now, when you take this $5 inside Facebook and you put it against a number which is the cost per email address inside Facebook, and you can compare, you can get your results. If that number inside Facebook, if that's more than $5, what does it mean? Cool, you're in loss. Yeah, that's what it means. If that is $5, most probably, almost certainly, you're in loss, because there is always the cost of production. Now, in a space like mine, when most of the products are automated, so my cost of production is not very high. But now you need to check this in your own industry, in your own business, in your own product and service, that how much is the cost of production for you, okay? Usually for me, if I'm paying $3 to Facebook, okay, and here I'm making $5, I'm in profit, okay? You should check your numbers. Now, let me tell you something. This is very important for Facebook ads, for marketing, and for business success in general. If you want to have a sustainable business that you can grow it and you can scale it and you can depend on it, okay? A business should have multiple products with multiple price ranges. So a business that has only one product of $50 that business may at the best be on break even, not better than that. So the solution here for Facebook ads or for any other thing inside your business is to create multiple products, different products at different price range. So people can, there should be always opportunities for people to take up, okay, to get that product. So you need to create upsells, okay. Now let me show you how we do, and then I'll give you some examples. So now here, if we add one more product here, so when they buy this product, we send them to another page, which is our upsell, okay. We send these people, these 100 people who bought one product from us, who purchased this product, we send them to this page again, okay. And when they go to this page, if you do a good job, 20% of these people take this offer too, because they've already bought, they've already given you their credit card number, they've already bought your product. And 20% of them, if you have a good marketing copy inside, again, a nice video or something like that, something that encourages them and convinces them, persuades them, 20% of them will take you up on that. Now, 100 people, how many will be that 20% of them? How many will be? 20, right? Yeah, 20, of course. 20 people will buy your second product, right? Now, let's say your second product is a $200 product. Now, how much will that be? 20 into 200, 4,000. Now here, look at here. You had $5,000 here sales from your first product. From your second product, you have 4,000 more. What it means, this is 9,000, right? 5,000 plus 4,000. What it means here, you have 9,000 divided by 1,000. Did you see how it works? It's the same funnel, the same thing, but just by adding one more product. How much is this now here? $9. This is how business becomes profitable, by adding more products, by upselling, by giving them more opportunities. For example, if it's e-commerce, you can have bundles, different products at different range, things that they can put together and buy, or maybe you can have one-on-one sessions with them. Maybe you can have customized packages for them, I'm talking about other spaces. So a more comprehensive one, A to Z service, something like that. These are the things that you can add to this funnel to make it more profitable. Now, so you saw by adding one product, instead of making $5 per email, you are making $9 per email. So now, if you take this inside Facebook, and even if that's at $5, if you're paying $5 to Facebook for every email address, you're in profit. You get my point? Now, in my example, I said, for example, if the cost of email for me is $3 and I make $5 here, I'm a profit. Now, imagine if that's $3 and here I'm making $9, it means I put $1 and I got $3, right? Cool, right? So this is how you can scale and become it more. Because if you just have one product of $50 or something like that, it is hard to build a successful business kind of thing that you want. Maybe you always break even, maybe you always hustle and work in something like that. But if you want to build a profitable business and enjoy your life, you need to add more products there. So know your numbers. And by the way, to this one, we haven't added the lifetime value of a lead yet. Because here, guys, you got 1,000 leads, 1,000 email addresses, and just 10% of them bought from you, which is 100. Now you have 900 extra email addresses who are interested in your product. Why? Because first you showed the ad to them, to people who are interested, plus they were interested enough to click here and give you their email address. So now it is time to build a relationship with them, to send more emails to them. And we talked about that knowing and liking and trusting journey that we talked about. So now you have that opportunity to work on them and turn them to buying customers. Okay, cool, perfect. So I just wanted to tell you, I just wanted to show you how it works.